Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how to make the blowout device that I use to winterize our irrigation system. You know, I've had a few questions about how we winterize our irrigation system. I showed you in a recent video how the whole thing is used. I use compressed air to blow water out of the lines that are too close to the surface that in the wintertime they will freeze. This little gadget is very, very simple to make. I have a brass fitting that goes from a pipe nipple. It has 1/2-inch male pipe threads on the inside. The pipe nipple goes into a ball valve. Now this is a 1/4-inch nipple and a 1/4-inch ball valve. So I screw the pipe nipple and the 1/2-inch male pipe fitting into the ball valve. The next piece that goes in is a compressed air fitting. This is a universal air chuck fitting. It's just getting tightened down a little bit. I'm not too concerned if there's a little bit of a leak in this system because it's not going to be used continuously and it's not going to be under a lot of pressure. This then gets screwed into the top of the irrigation line. The air hose is connected to the top, and in order to actually let air go into the line, we open the valve up and close it. Open the valve up and close it. The reason why I close the valve and wait for a few seconds is to let water drain back down out of the line and consolidate so that when I open the air back up, it will blow the water out of the line. Well, I hope this is of interest to you. It's a cheap little device to build that can save a lot of money and, more importantly for me, a lot of time by cleaning out your irrigation lines before it freezes. Thanks for watching. I hope this was interesting and informative to you. If you liked what you saw, please click like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so that you find out whenever we publish something new. Have a great day. Bye.